Well, hello my fellow YouTubers. Been a while since I did a video. So I thought this morning I would let you suffer with me. Okay, well, it is a part, so if my plan works like I hope it will, we're going to pull this down because the holes are so misaligned on top, and I'm hoping that this works the way I have it scripted. Looky there. I'm hoping this works. Got a long screwdriver that stuck down through both the holes, so I'm hoping, oh, looky there, but that'll guide that one up into the correct hole. Wow, that crawl space was dark and audio was hard to do. Couldn't keep the camera right. So while we're upstairs, I thought I would just demonstrate a little of the PEX stuff in the perfect environment. But I wanted to show you these. I bought this one to keep all my screws and different things I need in for repairing rental houses. But I decided to do one of these for my PEX stuff and SharkBites, and I just think they're cool. It could be got it at Lowe's. You can see the brand is Keeter, but I like it because you can organize your stuff on the top, and then you just slide it back to get your stuff on the bottom. And if you forget to latch the latches and you pick it up, well, engineering makes it okay. Okay, I'm going to try to demonstrate the PEX in good lighting and where you can hear me, not in the crawl space. I have a pair of these Linux cutters. I got them at Lowe's. I'm sure you can get them about anywhere. They're kind of pricey. I resisted getting them at first, but man, yeah, they cut like butter and they give you a nice flush cut there. I use this deburring tool. You know, a lot of people say, oh, there's no reason to use that on this. But if you take the edge off of there, when you're pushing it into a SharkBite like this, it will help to not nick or scratch the O-ring. When I do copper, I absolutely use this to deburr the edge. All right, well, it's a piece of cake. You get your little locking ring, and that one was one that I cut. I don't know why it's back into the bin, but get you one of these little locking rings, slide it over the end, whatever fitting you're using. If you hold that for just a second, it'll soften it up, make it easy to push in. They're usually not bad, but if it's cold, they can be. Put it in where you got a little white showing above there. This tool locks on, so when you're in the crawl space and you get started and it's hard and you got to reposition, it's not going anywhere. It just stays there until you're ready, and then it won't release until you get it properly clicked, and you're done. Now they make a solid ring to go on these, and it uses a different type of crimper. And you change the heads depending on which size pipe you're doing. I think it's really bulky and they're really hard to get them off. This one, if you realize you made a mistake, you just turn it. Whoops, I didn't get it right there. And hear it click. It'll pop right off, and you can pull your fitting out and start all over again. You can do red and blue. if you like to do the color coded, and if you're doing something that's going to be inspected, depending where you live, they might even require you to put it up through there with the red and blue. I use the white under the house and then stub up with the red and blue. I think it looks nice, but you could use the white for everything. It's all the same. Hope that helps.